Hey everyone, if you're like me and have been dealing with crackling or buzzing noises coming from your MacBook speakers, especially on the right side, this quick tutorial is for you. I'll show you a super simple way to fix this issue in just 30 seconds. No tools, no risky laptop surgery required. Let's dive right in. For a while, my right speaker was making buzzing noises while I was watching YouTube videos or listening to music. After searching online for solutions, the most common advice was to replace the speaker. But not everyone wants to open up their MacBook. I know I didn't. Thankfully, I found an easier fix that works like a charm. Here's how you can do it. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings or System Preferences, depending on your macOS version. In the System Settings panel, find and click on Sound. Once you're in the Sound menu, go to the Output tab. You'll see a slider labeled Balance under your selected output device. By default, this slider is in the center, meaning both the left and right speakers produce sound equally. Since the right speaker is crackling, gradually shift the balance slider toward the left speaker. If it's the left speaker that's crackling, gradually shift the balance slider toward the right speaker. Here's a tip. Don't slide it all the way to the left. Doing so can make the audio sound uneven. Instead, adjust it just enough so that the crackling stops. Move it slightly, test the sound, and fine-tune until the buzzing is gone. Play some audio to check if the crackling has stopped. If it's still there, tweak the balance slider a bit more. The goal is to minimize crackling while keeping the sound as balanced as possible. And that's it. You've fixed the crackling speaker issue without needing any tools, or taking apart your laptop. While the audio won't be perfectly balanced, with more sound coming from the left speaker, you'll quickly get used to it. Most importantly, the annoying crackling noise will be gone. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.